energy technique, reciprocal inhibition, for the lateral neck flexors and more and specifically the upper fibre traps on the client's right hand side. For this, we will take the client's passive range of motion after previously examining their active range of motion in a seated position, and then I will test the passive range of motion by just sliding her neck left and right. And for the purpose of this, we'll target her right upper fibre traps and we'll take them to the first bind point. So the handhold for this position is that we're going to use our metacarpal phalangeal joint and thenar eminence. We're going to place that under the client's neck, and we're going to place that under the occiput so that we have full control over the client's neck. And then we can use that to go into our passive range of motion either side nice and easily without any restriction. So once we've found the client's passive range of motion for the client's right lateral neck flexors, and more specifically the upper traps, to perform reciprocal inhibition, we want to place our left hand on the client's left shoulder, and we use our forearm against the client's side of her head to add the resistance for when we apply the MET. And then what we ask the client to do is press her side of her head into the forearm on the left side for 10 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, breathe in and relax off. And then we move immediately in the direction of the stretch to the next barrier. And then we hold here for 10 seconds. And then we ask the client again to press their head into the left-hand side, stretching that right-hand side. We hold this for 10 seconds. And then we ask the client to take a big breath in for me. Exhale, relax. And then we move immediately to the left, stretching that right side. And then as with PIR, we remain in this end position for 20 seconds before releasing off. And then we come back to a neutral position for the neck. So that's MET, reciprocal inhibition, for the lateral neck flexors.